understanding flow rolling in Jiu-Jitsu and everyday life. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase, flow rolling. This term is commonly used in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ, but also has applications in our everyday lives. Let's dive into understanding what it means and how it can be applied both on the mat and in our daily routines. Stay tuned to discover something new today. Flow rolling originates from Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, a martial art focused on ground fighting and submission holds. In BJJ, flow rolling is a practice method where practitioners spar in a continuous, smooth, and non-competitive manner. It's like a dance of movements, where each person responds to their partner's actions fluidly, without resistance or the intent to dominate. This approach helps learners to understand movements, improve technique, and build a stronger mind-body connection. The essence of flow rolling lies in its non-competitive nature. It's not about winning or overpowering your opponent. Instead, it focuses on 1. Smooth transitions, moving seamlessly from one technique to another. 2. Mutual cooperation, both partners work together for mutual learning. 3. Mindfulness, being present in the moment and understanding the flow of movements. 4. Adaptability, adjusting to your partner's movements and responding appropriately. Flow rolling isn't just a BJJ concept. It can be applied to our everyday lives too. Think of it as going with the flow in various situations. Whether it's adapting to changes at work, dealing with family dynamics, or managing personal challenges, adopting a flow rolling mindset means 1. Embracing change, accepting and adapting to changes smoothly. 2. Collaboration, working harmoniously with others. 3. Mindfulness, being aware of the present and responding thoughtfully. 4. Flexibility, adjusting your approach as situations evolve. Adopting a flow-rolling approach in life can lead to numerous benefits, such as reduced stress. By not resisting changes, you can reduce anxiety and stress. Improved relationships. Collaboration and mutual respect enhance relationships. Greater adaptability. Being flexible helps in coping with life's uncertainties. Enhanced learning. Openness to new experiences fosters personal growth. Flow rolling is more than a martial arts term. It's a philosophy that can enhance our lives. By understanding its principles and applying them in our daily activities, we can experience a more harmonious, adaptable, and mindful way of living. I hope you found this video helpful and that it brings a new perspective to your daily challenges. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep flowing with life's journey.